Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to download the Moonpay application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to either the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have of course. This video will be made for the Apple users, so for the iPhone users in the Apple Store. So now when you open the Apple Store, as you can see, in the top left corner we have the Today screen, we have the Games, we have the apps, we have the arcade tab, and of course we have the search tab, which we of course need now. So when you're here in the search tab, you need just to go to, of course, the search bar, and here you need to go and type Moon, so M-O-O-N, Pay, so Moonpay, and click search. Here, as you can see, you will have it as the first option. Click on it, and here, guys, as you can see, you can check out the rating of the application, the age, the chart, the developer, language, the size of the application, of course, if you can do it. We have, of course, some more reviews here where you can see the textual reviews that people put in. And down here, we have some more of those things, as you can see. So now when you, of course, saw everything, you want to go and download the app, you just need to go and click on Get. Then, of course, you need to go and they need to recognize you, and the app will start downloading. So now when the app downloads, it will automatically be installed. You can then just go click open. And of course, there it is. You have your app, so Moonpay here. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye, guys.